What if you could earn thousands of dollars without coding, without a team, just by using AI tools? Today, I'll reveal what an AI automation agency really is and how you can start one from scratch. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI with Muqtadir. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, something that's changing the way businesses work around the world. I'm talking about AI automation agencies. If you've been hearing this term but you're not sure what it means, or you're wondering how do people actually make money with it, stay with me till the end. I promise this video might just give you your next big idea. What is an AI automation agency? So, let's break it down. An AI automation agency is basically a business that helps other businesses use artificial intelligence tools to save time, reduce cost, and improve productivity. Imagine a restaurant owner who's still taking orders manually, or a small e-commerce store that's replying to every customer message one by one. Now imagine if you could help them automate all of that using AI tools like chatbots, email, responders, AI scheduling assistants, even content creation tools. That's what an AI automation agency does. You're not building robots. You're just using existing tools and making them work smartly for clients. Why is this blowing up right now? Let me tell you why this is booming. Since ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other AI tools exploded onto the scene, everyone wants a piece of the AI pie. But most business owners, they have no clue how to actually use these tools. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a coder or a tech genius. You just need to know how to identify what the client needs, find the right AI tool, set it up, and make it work. That's it. Simple, right? You become the bridge between AI and businesses that need it. And the best part, this is still new. Not many people are doing this in places like Bangladesh, India, or even small towns in the USA. That means the opportunity is huge right now. What services can you offer? Okay, let's talk real stuff. If you want to start your own AI automation agency, what exactly can you offer? Here are some examples. Customer support automation use chatbots to reply to FAQs 24/7. Email and SMS automation. Set up AI tools that send welcome emails, follow-ups, etc. Appointment booking systems help local businesses automate their scheduling with tools like Calendly plus AI. Lead generation bots. Use tools that qualify leads through questions, then send them to the business. Social media and content automation help clients schedule posts, generate captions, even create graphics using tools like Canva plus AI writers. Now imagine, if you charge $500 to $1,000 for each setup and you get just 5 clients a month, you're making serious money without any physical office or employees. Tools you can use. Okay, so what tools do you need to actually do this? Here's a list of beginner-friendly AI tools you can start with. ChatGPT for emails, content, client communication, Zapier to connect apps and automate actions, Tidio or ManyChat for chatbots, Notion AI to help clients manage tasks smartly, Loom to send video tutorials or updates, Google Workspace plus AI extensions, emails, docs, automation. You don't need all of these from day one. Just pick 1 or 2 services and get really good at those. How to get clients? The fun part. All right, the million-dollar question. How do you get clients? Here's what works. Start with people you know, friends who own businesses, restaurants, shops. Use LinkedIn or Facebook groups. Join business communities and offer value. Cold emails or DMs. Send 10-20 personalized messages every day. Create content. Share tips on how AI can help businesses. Show a demo. Record a short video showing how a chatbot or automation works. Most people get amazed. Once you help one client, use that as a case study to get more. It snowballs. So, that's the world of AI automation agencies. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's just getting started. If you've been looking for a way to get into AI, make money, and actually help people, this is your sign. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a full tutorial on how to set up your first automation. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, this is Muqtadir, signing off from AI with Muqtadir. Keep learning, keep growing.